Welcome to the Ahura platform. Enter your email address and click Activate. Here, you can register manually, include your first name and your last name, and click Continue. Here, you select the license and you enter the code. And you can choose a really strong password. Make sure to follow all the requirements. On the next session, you need to include your verification code, check your email, and search for the 4-digit code sent by Ahura. Once you click Insert the code, you can click Continue. Then you have to install the Ahura extension. When you click Install Ahura extension, it will open the Chrome page, and you have to click Add to Chrome. Once you install the extension, you have the pass, and the registration will be complete, and you can enter the Ahura dashboard. Welcome to Ahura.